Well, the rain came yesterday as promised, and it's just stopped for a few minutes, I would think. Everything covered up again, and the shelves emptied. I've put plastic over the top of this, a little bit late, but it'll probably look after what's left in there. I haven't managed to uncover the veggie podders yet, because I've got lettuce and beetroot in there. I've removed all the dead cauliflowers out of there. They were a mess, very squelchy, and I think I shall be taking this beetroot out as well. It don't look to be doing any good. And I've got this protected against the wet weather again, as I have them at the back. That's the flowers. I have put all the plants off that far rack in here, and as you can see, it's rather full. But they'll stay in here now while probably after the weekend. I'm going to get some more seeds sown. I have brought the silver skinned onions in here to transplant. I'm probably going to put 3 or 4 in a pot of these. Got the compost I've put through the microwave. It is still a bit on the warm side, so hopefully that will have killed off any fungus gnat larvae. Okie dokie. I have had my compost delivered this morning, so we're okay for compost now for all the potatoes, etc. Okie dokie. Well, as I said earlier, I'm going to do some seed sowing today. But as you can see, the compost that I've had through the microwave is still steaming, so I'll not be doing it right away. But I'll show you what I've planned. Saladin lettuce. Get some more of that going. Little gem lettuce. Left some of that on, and I'm going to try just a couple of pots of TumblingTom tomatoes, hopefully, to grow in the house. We'll see how it goes. Okay. I can start to get it prepared. And make it light. Now I like to do both, because one helps to keep the moisture in, and the other one doesn't let too much water stand in the pots. Okay, I'll bring you back when I'm ready to do the potting on, or seed sowing I should say. Okay, I think we're ready to go. We'll make a start of it. Okay, so I'll start with some salad in and see how that goes. Okay, that will do for that one. That's a salad in sown. Now we'll do a couple of TumblingToms. We'll see how they go on. Good job I didn't want to sow any more than 2 because that's all the seeds I have. Okie dokie. That's that one done. And then we'll carry on with the little gem lettuce. Now these are reasonably old seeds, so whether they'll actually take or not, I don't know, but time will tell. Right, there we go. That's them done. Because the compost is relatively damp, I'll not water it while later today. Okie dokie. That's another job done. So we'll catch you later. Bye for now. So we've got our seeds sown and they're in the light box. The 2 pots of cucumbers, Ladiva, as expected, they didn't survive, so they've gone. Okay, we'll have a look in the other box. Back in a tick. Right. When I videoed this lot the other day, I didn't exactly realise that every one of the plants had flower pods on. Anyway, I've managed to take the majority off. There is still the odd ones on, just to give the plants a chance to grow a bit more. Now I am going to transfer 3 of these into the greenhouse, because I only want to be looking after 2 in here. I did hoped that Susan's brother was going to take two, but because they've got to be kept warm on the windowsill, it were a no-no.